Imagine a 15-year-old paying their own school fees. It's a remarkable feat, isn't it? Not with allowance money, but with earnings from online work. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't a fantasy. It's a reality for many teens today. They are leveraging the power of the internet to create opportunities for themselves. One such teen decided to take charge of his education. He didn't wait for someone else to solve his problems. He used his skills and the power of the internet to make money. He learned new things, constantly improving himself. He found ways to get paid for his talents. Whether it was graphic design, coding, or writing, he explored various avenues. And guess what? He succeeded. His hard work and determination paid off. He paid his school fees all by himself. This story is inspiring and shows the power of self-reliance. It shows that age is just a number. If you have the will, you can find a way. With dedication and the right approach, anyone can achieve financial independence. It's all about the mindset and the effort you put in. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities. From freelancing to online courses, the possibilities are endless. It doesn't matter where you are or how old you are. The digital world is accessible to everyone. You can learn, grow, and earn online. The resources are out there, waiting to be tapped into. This teen story is a beacon of hope for young people everywhere. It proves that with the right mindset and tools, anything is possible. Imagine the pride of this teen's parents, their son, taking responsibility and achieving his goals. It's a moment of joy for any parent. Seeing your child blossom into an independent individual is deeply fulfilling. It's a testament to their upbringing and their child's hard work. Financial independence is about more than just money. It's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your life. When you earn your own money, you make your own decisions. You learn the value of hard work. You gain confidence in your abilities. This teen story isn't just about paying school fees. It's about the pride and joy that come with self-reliance. Now you might be thinking, but what about scams? Isn't it risky for teens to work online? Yes, online safety is crucial. It's important to be aware of potential scams and to protect yourself. But that doesn't mean online earning is off limits. With the right guidance and precautions, teens can navigate the online world safely and successfully. And what about time? Teenagers are busy with school and activities, you might say. That's true, but even small pockets of time can be utilized. Instead of scrolling through social media, dedicate just 30 minutes a day to learning a new skill or completing online tasks. Every little bit counts. Remember, this isn't about sacrificing your social life or hobbies. It's about finding a balance and making the most of your time. Skills for every schedule. The beauty of online earning is its flexibility. There are opportunities for everyone, regardless of their schedule. Let's break it down into categories. Limited time? No problem. If you're preparing for competitive exams and have limited free time, focus on simple tasks. Data entry, creating presentations, or even selling your old notes online are great options. A few hours to spare? If you can dedicate 3 to 4 hours a day, explore tutoring. Share your knowledge of a subject or language with others. Flexible schedule? Go all out. For those with more time, the possibilities are endless. Dive into video editing, graphic design, or even coding. Remember, start small and gradually increase your workload. The key is to find something that fits your interests and time constraints. Earning opportunities, a detailed look. Now, let's get specific. Here are some popular online earning avenues for teens: PPT creation and data entry. Good with PowerPoint and Excel? These skills are in high demand. Many businesses need help with presentations and data management. They often look for freelancers who can create compelling slides and manage their data efficiently. You can find freelance gigs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world, offering a variety of projects to choose from. Language tutoring, fluent in another language, share your skills. Teaching a language can be incredibly rewarding and profitable. Platforms like Verbling connect you with eager learners worldwide. You can set your own rates and schedule, making it a flexible option. Selling notes or answering questions. Were you a star student in a particular subject? Your notes and expertise can be valuable to others. Turn your knowledge into profit. By selling your notes or answering academic questions, you can help others succeed while earning money. Sell your notes on StudyPool or answer questions on Chegg. These platforms are popular among students looking for study aids and academic assistance. You'll be helping others and earning money at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Video editing. Love creating videos on your phone? This hobby can turn into a lucrative side hustle. Learn basic editing skills and offer your services to YouTubers. Many content creators need help with editing their videos to make them more engaging. Many creators need help with editing their content. By offering your services, you can build a portfolio and gain experience. Graphic designing. Have a knack for design. This skill is highly sought after in the digital age. Use tools like Canva to create logos, thumbnails, and social media graphics. These tools are user-friendly and can help you produce professional quality designs. Reach out to businesses and individuals who need help with their visual branding. Your designs can make a significant impact in their marketing efforts. Influencer management or content writing. Are you a social media whiz? Use your skills to help influencers grow their online presence. Offer to manage social media accounts or create content for influencers. This can include writing posts, creating graphics, and engaging with followers. You can negotiate deals and earn commissions based on your success. The more effective you are, the more you can earn. Coding. While it requires more time and dedication, coding is a high-demand skill. Learning to code can open up numerous opportunities. Learn the basics and start taking on freelance projects. There are many online resources to help you get started. Remember, these are just a few examples. The internet is full of opportunities waiting to be explored. With a little research and creativity, you can find countless ways to monetize your skills online. The possibilities are endless, so start exploring today. Building your online empire. Ready to embark on your online earning journey? The digital world is full of opportunities waiting for you to explore. Here are some tips to set yourself up for success. Start small, dream big. Begin with manageable goals and gradually expand your horizons. Don't try to do everything at once. It's easy to get overwhelmed, so take it step by step. Pick 1 or 2 skills to focus on and gradually expand your repertoire. Build your portfolio. Showcase your work. Create a website or online portfolio to display your skills and projects. This is your digital resume. This will make you stand out from the crowd. Network like a pro. Connect with people in your chosen field. Building relationships can be just as important as building skills. Join online communities, attend webinars, and reach out to potential clients. Engage actively and make your presence known. Networking can open doors to exciting opportunities. Never stop learning. The online world is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by continuously upgrading your skills and learning new technologies. Enroll in online courses, read industry news, and experiment with new tools. Remember, success takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and never give up on your dreams. Your online empire awaits. Start building today. Spread the word empowering others. This isn't just a story about one teen. It's a call to action for all young people. You have the power to take control of your financial future. Use your skills, the internet, and your determination to create opportunities for yourself. Share this story with your friends and family. Let's empower each other to achieve financial independence and build a brighter future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and notification bell for more money-making tips and strategies. Please check out some of my other videos on making money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.